Hi, this is David Heller with Mcadcafe, and I'm here in Campbell, California, and I'm talking with Daniel Huang. And Daniel is in China, and he's the product manager for ZWCAD Plus. This is their latest release, and we're going to be talking to Daniel about that in just a second. Good morning, Daniel.
Hi, good morning, David.
Yeah, good morning. I understand that you're the project manager for ZW Plus. And we've done reviews and we've looked at ZWCAD 2012. And I wonder if you could tell me, what does ZWCAD Plus bring to the table? What's new about and what's so exciting about this product?
Okay, let me explain something about ZWK Plus to you. I would say ZWK Plus is fundamentally different from ZWK 2012 and any other previous version of ZWK. It's not just a simple upgrade of ZWK. The whole software is completely rebuilt from the ground up. And the ZWK design R&D team has rewritten the whole set of source code.
So
So
it
the
has
new engine, yeah,
it has a new
it's
kernel. It's a
totally,
brand new
yeah, it's
underlying.
totally brand,
Wow.
yeah, totally a brand new source code and a brand new kernel. And so the new engine developed by this team, most of whom are, of course, they are CAD veterans in the CAD industries, is our major advantages when comparing to our competitors.
Uh-huh.
And the new engine ensures greater DWG support and better memory control and code level API compatibilities. I'd say it makes ZWCAD Plus a better, a faster, and a more accurate CAD solutions.
Hmm.
Yeah, more innovations has been made to ZWCAD Plus since we have added many unique features like smart mouse and
Uh-huh.
like file compare.
Uh-huh.
This can give our users a whole new design experience.
Okay,
And
maybe you could go into a little detail about some of these features that are new. What is Smart Mouse? What makes that so special?
yeah, okay. Smart mouse is quite a new features in CAD software. You know that mostly when we need to use some features in CAD, we type the keyboard for command or we
Hmm.
press the button or ribbons. So
Hmm.
this is the old way to execute command. But now we have offered a new alternative way to execute command, which is to use your right mouse button. You
Hmm.
move your right mouse button to a certain directions, and it will trigger the command directly. So you don't have to type any command, or you don't have to press any buttons. Just move your mouse and the
Wow.
command is. So it's very fast for design.
Yeah, I looked at it and I also noticed that you've got a new ribbon feature at the top for navigation. Maybe you could tell
Yes.
us a bit about that as well.
Yeah, well, Ribbon is also a new kind of user interface for software, especially those modern software. We all know that it's developed by the Microsoft, so
Hmm.
their Office already have ribbons. And many other softwares like CAD software are also integrating this kind of new user interface. It gives us many advantages. The first is that the whole interface is more user friendly. It's beautiful and it's easier to find the command you want because all of the buttons are grouped into different tabs. So it's a easy way to find what you want.
Yeah, I understand that you actually released CWCAD Plus Service Pack 1 in July, and you
Mhm.
probably had it out, with customers. And what type of feedback have you gotten from your customers out there that have evaluated or looked at this new software?
Well, since ZBK Plus first released in July, we have got a number of users giving us all kinds of feedbacks, including they want some more new features. They want the software to be faster,
Hmm.
and also they reported some problems, some bugs, and this is all we considered to try to improve in our SP1, which is the Service Pack 1 released last month. So with these feedbacks, we quickly improved ZWCAD Plus by adding some new features, correcting bugs, and enhancing our user experience, of course. So these are exactly what we did in ZWCAD Plus SP1. In
Mm-hmm.
this first service pack, we added some urgent demanded features, like the most important thing is the multi-leader and the MV setup. And we also complete the express tools with some important feature like overkill, like Arcanine text, and the log drawing, and so on.
Your tool covers both spaces. It covers the architectural area, architectural space. You just said a word that sounds like architects. It's
Uh,
architects, or
it's
is
no, it's the arc aligned text. It's
ah
yeah, it's
okay
a way to
okay.
write text on the arcs.
I
Yeah.
see. I see. So it can. I see. And so, you know, in general, it sounds like you've done a lot, and it's probably hard to. It's more of a visual thing. You probably want to get your hands on this tool somehow and really get to feel it to understand what all these new enhancements can do. But just out of curiosity, how many improvements have you made to this product?
Well, besides the new features, let's say we totally have almost 20 new features in the Service Pack 1. And besides that, we also have made more than 400 improvements, which
Wow.
including stability problems, including the bug fixes. So it's more than 400 in our site. So we believe that by releasing this service pack, our users will find ZWK Plus more and more powerful than before.
Wow. So we're heading into 2013, and what type of how's this product going to evolve over the coming year and years?
Well, in 2013, the first thing we know, of course, is that ZWK Plus will continue to release service packs and update patches. And eventually, we will have the 2013 version, which is the most important thing for ZWK Plus. So we will make quick progress improving our product itself. It's the key to our business and the foundation for our further plans. And besides that, we also want to try more vertical solutions for different industries. Based on ZK Plus, we will try to have the ZK Mechanical, which is already released. It's
Yes.
based on ZK Plus kernel. And we are just thinking about having ZK Architecture, which is the architecture version for the industry, also based on ZK Plus. So both mechanical and architecture version will still work as a basic platform. So user can still have their add-ons on both of them.
Yeah, I was reading, about your product, and I stumbled upon the fact that you now offer a mobile product, a mobile reader for DWG drawings, and
Yeah.
I downloaded it, and it is super super. Maybe you could tell me a little bit more about the direction you're going in as far as mobile is concerned.
Yes, of course. We all feel excited about Go Mobile
Hmm.
because we all realize that the software's future is there. Our app is called ZWCAD Touch, it's a DWG viewer and editor. And the
Hmm.
most exciting thing is that it integrates the cloud storage support inside. So you don't have to you don't have to transmit your files by USB cable lines. You
Hmm.
just put your files in your cloud storage, and you can get those files in ZWCAD Touch on any of your Apple devices.
Yeah, what's really interesting about that is that it's free. I
Yeah,
downloaded
of
it for
course.
free. That was great.
Yes, yes, it's free.
It's a great tool. Do you have plans to add other mobile products in the coming year and years moving forward?
Yes, because currently Typical Touch only developed on iOS, so you can only work with the Apple device. So the coming year, the first thing we will do is to transplant this product to Android devices, which covers a more market, you know. So this is the first thing we would like to do. And after Typical Touch, We are also trying to think about whether we want to try to have the DW3D viewers on the mobile device. Is
Right.
also for another our 3D software. So
Yes.
the mobile world is very large. The market is very large. We will try to do everything we can.
So let me ask you a question about ZWCAD 3D. Is that now going to be using the same kernel as for CAD as you're using in ZWCAD Plus?
No, because it's the 3D software, they use another kernel, which is
Ah,
called Overdrive. Yeah.
ah,
That kernel is also superior because it combines the surface and the solid modeling together. Yeah, so
wow.
it's different kernel, but it's also a powerful and it's a superior engine for 3D design.
Yeah, sounds very, very sophisticated. And at a higher level, what's ZW Soft's vision for ZWCAD Plus?
Well, we hope ZWK Plus will be one of the most popular 2D CAD software in the world, and having its own customer base and application developer network.
Hmm.
Well, ZWK Plus will not be an AutoCAD clone, and we hope that it will blaze a new trail that has its own characteristics and meeting the demands of its own users.
Hmm.
Yeah, but on the other hand, ZK Plus will also preserve and strengthen the compatibility of file format to some mainstream software, like in DWG file format, like DXF, like
Right.
DWF, those general file formats. We will preserve these compatibilities because I
Hmm.
think this is the most important thing for our current customers.
Okay.
And in the future, we are also trying to support like DGN and work on other additional software for portable platforms, like I just mentioned about the Android device.
Right.
So yeah, in the future, we think that the PC software, the mobile, and the cloud are the future of CAD software. And
Wow.
we will continuously invest resources in mobile design software
Hmm.
and invest the resources to develop those vertical solutions like architecture and mechanical.
Hmm. Wow.
And
And go ahead.
yeah, yes. And when ZK Plus continues to improve, we also thinking about to separate the user interface and the geometry kernel of ZK Plus, so ZK Plus can be made to multi-platform, like a Mac system and a Linux system. We may have those kind of version for different system.
Wow, that's gonna be super when you can have it across all the different platforms that are out there.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
And somebody told me that there's a special meaning to your new logo. Maybe you could tell me about that.
Well, yes. Yeah, because this also really an interesting logo because we wanted to integrate Chinese heritage into this logo design. So we designed to create the plus symbol, the plus symbol to stand for the great effort by our R&D team in China. Again, they've done an incredible job, and we are so proud of them.
Hmm.
So let's take a look about this logo. It starts with a solid and a firm writing, which looks tough and steady,
Hmm.
and ends with an agile and expanding tail, which means ZWK Plus is compact and the smart software with great expandability in APIs. So this whole logo is a perfect combination of strength and intelligence, and also with Chinese tradition. So that's exactly what we are trying to express to our customers through these logos.
Wow, there's some really great meaning in that, and it's a
Yeah.
wonderful. For people who would like to learn more about ZWGAP CAD Plus, or do you have a trial software available for this?
Yes, of course. We always offer a trial software on our website, so everyone can download it on our website, www.zwsoft.com, so they can have a 30 days free trial.
Hmm.
And even after the trial, they can still use our software, but only with limited features.
I see. And when they get to your website, will they also be able to get up to speed to learn about this new product? How to use
Yes,
it?
yes, we have a service and support section in our website, so they can find tutorials, they can find learning videos, and some useful tips and tricks on this section, so they can learn the software by themselves.
Wow, that's exciting. So could you give me the URL again so that people remember it?
Okay, it's the www.zwsoft.com.
Okay, Daniel. Well, listen, thank you so much for introducing ZWCAD Plus, and it's been a pleasure talking with you.
Well, it's also my pleasure. Thank you.